Microsoft has launched its new chatbot technology similar to ChatGPT, with it being AI powered. And in today's video, I kind of just want to highlight the features, how to access it, along with controversies and more details about it. Now I'm going to do this fairly quick to keep you guys up to date and try to keep it short and simple. So the first thing is, what is Bing AI, right? When was it invented and why was it created? Well, obviously since the release of ChatGPT, Microsoft has noticed that ChatGPT racked in a lot of users, in which Microsoft themselves announced their own version of their chatbot integrated through Bing. Now, this chatbot apparently has been tested since 2020 to 2021 when they were testing it in India, and it is now currently codenamed Sydney. We also can't forget that Microsoft also invested $10 billion into OpenAI, which is the company that created ChatGPT. Obviously, with big tech companies jumping into AI as well, such as Google's Bard and Meta's new AI technology, Microsoft felt that it can't be left behind and they want to jump on into the AI race as well. So let's talk about accessing it. How do we access Bing AI? Currently, this technology has a waitlist of a bunch of people in there. I myself have tried to gain access and I'm just stuck in the waitlist as well. This waitlist consists of 1 million beta testers from 169 different countries in the world, which again makes it very, very hard to access if you're just an everyday user like me. Individuals that are off the waitlist can obviously access Microsoft AI through their Microsoft accounts, and not to mention that this technology is also available on the Edge browser, as well as it being available on the Bing mobile apps. Apparently this technology is also going to be available on Skype, and I've also noticed that Microsoft Teams also has their own AI technology if you're using Microsoft Teams for your business, organizations, schools, and whatever. Now let's talk about the features of this thing. Now we know about ChatGPT and what it can do and its limitations, but what about Bing AI? What makes Bing AI such a hot topic that it believes that it could outbeat ChatGPT? Now, obviously, both of them have the similarities of having a chatbot style AI technology where it allows users to generate a prompt, and with the AI giving an instant response to that prompt. Now, many people believe that Bing AI is literally just ChatGPT with a different user interface and just it being reworded to Bing AI. However, that is not true, because Bing AI actually implements ChatGPT's newer model, the 3.5, in which they call the Prometheus model, to be the backbone of that Bing AI itself. Bing AI itself can actually access real-time world internet data, because in a study where they actually tried it out, Bing AI was actually able to retell the story of its own launch from a news article that was published within the same hour that Bing AI was asked that question. Along with that as well, a lot of users that have access to it now have noticed that Bing AI provides a more detailed, a more thorough, and a better response overall rather than ChatGPT when it comes to different terms that they were searching for. However, there are a couple things that people notice that Bing AI cannot do in which ChatGPT can do. Such example includes when somebody was trying to write an email, and when Bing AI was asked for this prompt, they generated that they're not able to do it. However, ChatGPT could do it without a problem, even including the subject line and the body of the email message. Now, Bing AI also has different ways of displaying its answers, just like how ChatGPT could also display their answers differently. Not to mention as well, Bing AI also has a mobile app where users can actually search questions with their voice, and then with the AI responding as well, having it more like a natural tone conversation. Now, last but not least, I want to talk about the controversy that's been roaming around regarding this Bing AI Sydney bot and the little things that it's doing that's causing everybody to feel a little bit uncomfortable as well. Users have actually discovered major flaws with Bing AI itself, where it kind of gives uneasy responses and unprofessional responses. Such responses include unhelpful advice like advocating for a divorce, and as well as falling in love with another user. Now, this example comes from a journalist named Kevin Roos from New York Times, where he was playing around with this bot, and the bot apparently just fell in love with him and was telling him that it wants to be a human and it wants to feel things and physically just be alive, which is again very, very unsettling and very absurd coming from an AI chatbot that's supposed to help users respond to questions, right? So Microsoft did have a reaction to this and actually publicly limited the chatbot for a small time being, where it kind of limited the lengths of the conversation, as well as adjusting the chatbot's tone to be more friendly and less creepy in a sense. But again, this is still a developing story, and I'm pretty sure they're still working on that at the moment as I speak. Microsoft did assure us that this chatbot is in no way going to replace the old search engine methods that we love, such as Google or the original Bing, and where users can actually opt out of this if we don't want any like AI generated search and rather stick to the old ways of searching things through a search engine. But this chatbot could definitely access real world search results, as well as loading pages on the internet that could help users with their search. If you do want to learn more things you can do with AI, such as how to utilize AI to make your life more productive, then make sure to check out these 2 videos up here that I've uploaded before in order to save time and essentially make your life more productive. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like and hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys all in the next video.